rammed it head.
It's recording, by the way.
Oh, okay. Hello, everyone!
Why did you say hello, everyone? Why do you assume that I'm going to put it on somewhere?
No. It's just instant. When someone's recording, I have to.
You should say something like, "Hi, Mum."
Hi,
instead.
Mum. I'm on TV.
Monty. You look so goofy. That was a phone. Okay, you can say hi now because you went in the picture before.
Hi.
And then I'll say hi. Proof.
Let me say hi as well. Belly rub. It's okay, hang on a minute.
You're having fun there, Saz?
Yep. Oh,
you got it.
What's the matter? I got you now. You got that and I got you. Don't bite my boob.
This is going on your dog. Yeah, well, you're moving to Oz soon, so...
Exactly, so no one can find me and, like, criticise me or anything. Chinese eyes!
Like a monkey.
Chinese eyes!
It's not Chinese eyes, it's demonic eyes.
Are you happy there? Thank you, I'm so scared to move. She might kill me.